how I've given our son's Jeep Wrangler a second life by swapping out its dead lead-acid battery with something more convenient and powerful, my Ryobi drill batteries. You can find similar kits on Aliexpress and on Amazon that make this mod super easy, and I'll take you through it step by step.
So the first thing now is to pull out this battery and see how much space we've got to work with. Give that a shot. So it's just held in with a little bracket, simple bracket there, just like that. And it comes straight out. Now we could possibly try charging this. Okay, so it's 7 amp hours, 12 volts. Essentially I'm going to be swapping it with a 18 volt, 5 amp hour. Let's see how that goes. Like many of us, I have bought into the Ryobi ecosystem, and I have quite a few of these batteries. And I thought it'd be a great idea to use these lithium batteries and have a few of them on charge so that you could be essentially hot swappable. So I found this on Aliexpress. Essentially, it's an adapter. Once I open the box, let's see, it just arrived today. So, got a 15 amp step down. So it turns the 18 volt lithium batteries into 12 volts. And you have this adapter which allows you to plug in your lithium batteries. So I'll turn it off. A little switch here. Turn it off so it doesn't. See how it fits. Oh, there we go. So yes, I'm touching the wires together, and we have 12.21 volts, which is good. That's what we need. Let's wire this up. Sounds pretty good. Now the idea is to remove existing 12 volt battery so that I can replace it with this. Okay, so the positive lead goes to the fuse, the existing 15 amp fuse. Negative lead goes to the existing negative lead. Still kept the battery ends, which I'll cover up later. And we've got the plug and the voltage step down. Now, we'll test. Let's plug it in. And switch it on.
Music mode.
That confirms that it works. It's telling me we have 12.17 volts. Well, it works. Let's set it all up and go for a drive. Okay, so the way I've wired it up, batteries in the back there, on-off switch, cut a small hole, goes through to the step-down transformer, and yeah, we'll test it out. My daughter's test driving it for my son.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Go around the palm tree over there. How does it drive? Is it alright? Was it fun?
That was pretty successful. Before I would struggle to drive on the grass and would also struggle to get up and around those palm trees. I wasn't really happy with the battery positioned in the back like that. I felt like it was a weak point for the cable. So I've repositioned it to be hidden under the seat.
So I think I will put this under the seat here. That's perfect. Alright. So, flip it on. Yeah, much better. Alright, you ready? Tals, can you drive by yourself?
No.
Do you know how to? Do you know how to push the accelerator? No, right, Tals, do you know how to push the accelerator down there where Becky's pushing? Hang on, who's pushing? You or Rafi? And who's steering?
Rafi.
Do you want to help steer him? Help her steer?
Because then Rafi's.
Well, they figured it out. If you're dealing with a dead battery in a Power Wheels or any ride-on car, this mod is a great way to bring it back to life. It's affordable and easy to set up, and you'll get a lot more playtime out of it. Hope this helps someone out there. Thanks for watching and happy modding.